Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my income fast in 2025 by diving into some of the best side hustles out there. Having a side hustle in today's economy is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. With the cost of living on the rise and job security becoming a thing of the past, it's essential to have multiple streams of income to fall back on. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to increase their income is the lack of job stability. You can be laid off at any moment, and it's not uncommon for companies to downsize without warning. Another significant challenge is the rising cost of living. Prices are increasing, and wages are stagnant, making it difficult to make ends meet. To make matters worse, the competition for high-paying jobs is fierce, and it's hard to stand out in a crowded market. Furthermore, many people struggle with the idea of taking on a second job, not because they don't want to, but because they simply don't have the time or energy to dedicate to it. As we navigate these challenges, it's essential to think outside the box and explore alternative ways to boost our income. This is where side hustles come in: flexible, accessible, and often lucrative opportunities that can be done on our own terms. In 2025, there are numerous side hustle options available, each with its potential income, flexibility, and accessibility. You could start freelancing, offering services like writing, graphic design, or social media management. You could sell products online through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. You could even rent out a spare room on Airbnb or offer pet sitting services through Rover. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is that you can start many of these side hustles with little to no initial investment. You could start by selling stock photos, offering virtual assistants, or even creating and selling an online course. The key is to identify your strengths and passions and find a side hustle that aligns with them. So what are the top 3 side hustles that are projected to be the most lucrative and easiest to start this year? Number 1 is creating and selling an online course. With the rise of online learning, this side hustle has tremendous potential. You can create a course on anything from cooking to coding and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. And number 3 is dropshipping. This involves selling products without holding any inventory by partnering with a supplier that ships products directly to customers. In conclusion, boosting your income fast in 2025 requires thinking outside the box and exploring alternative ways to earn money. By identifying your strengths and passions and finding a side hustle that aligns with them, you can start earning extra income and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Which side hustle are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on increasing your income.